So hello guys, welcome to day 1 of my 30 days challenge. So finally here is the full video of my first day that I told you guys about. And this is not me acting like a fitness coach or anything. I'm literally just trying to stay consistent and improve myself. And yeah, for this challenge I'll be following workouts from this channel, and this is today's our challenge. So let's start. So first we are starting with a 30 seconds plank. And yeah, day 1 is not about being perfect, it's just about starting. So stay consistent and be strong. So yeah, finally we have done with 30 second plank, but at the same time we started with 30 seconds military climber. My god, I'm already feeling the burn, but it's okay, one step at a time, and we got this. So yeah, we have done with it. So take a deep breath and start with 50 sumo squats. And yeah, honestly at this time I'm praying for my legs, my god. But it's okay, be stronger than your excuses. We can do it. And yeah, see, don't force yourself too much, okay? You can take a 10 to 15 seconds break after 25 reps if needed.
Once you go down, you must be crazy if you think that I'ma slow down. Don't wanna hear it talking shit, fuck the drama. Keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama. Mr. Whip, get the guns out. Dropping bodies in the place till the sun's out.
At this time I was literally struggling to finish it, but it's okay, I did it finally. So yeah, now we are beginning with 20 military planks. My god, it is literally killing me, but it's okay, we'll try our level best. And see, I'll be honest with you, after 10 reps I had stopped for like 10 to 15 seconds because I was literally getting tired and I don't want to force myself. Then I continued and completed it after that 15 seconds, and I completed my remaining 10 reps.
Dropping bodies into place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with me, so don't even try. Cause when the bullets fly, I'm the last one to die. Pulling up black windows once you go down. You must be crazy if you think that I'ma slow down. Don't wanna hear it talking shit, fuck the drama. You keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama.
Oh my god, I finally did it. And now let's start with 60-second air punches. And yeah, this one actually made me powerful. Just imagine your biggest enemy is standing in front of you and punch the air with full energy. on, don't give up. Only few seconds left. Yeah, we did it. My god, it's again 30 seconds military climber. Yeah, see, here I am not going to lie you. I kept stopping and starting again because I was already so tired. But that's okay. We are still trying and that's what matters. So don't feel bad if you need breaks in between. Just imagine I am your workout partner struggling with you and we are surviving day 1 together. So finally we finished with that and we started 25 bicycle crunches. My god, at this point I was literally exhausted and I was not feeling to continue anymore. But in the starting what we said, the goal is consistency, not perfection. So I started again and completed it. Finally we did it. So yeah, we have survived it and we have finally successfully completed day 1. And now let's see what happens in the next part of this challenge. Till then, bye bye.